Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I made my carrot coconut cake. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kylie J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So in a large bowl, I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 eggs. I will also go in and add some brown sugar. You guys can go in and use some granulated sugar if you have granulated sugar at home, or if you just want to mix both the granulated sugar and the brown sugar, you can always do that. All right, so I combine both the egg and the brown sugar together. Then I'm gonna go in and add some vegetable oil. You guys can always go ahead and use butter, or you can just go ahead and use some olive oil if you have olive oil at home instead of the vegetable oil. All right, so I'm going to combine both the vegetable oil, the egg and the sugar together, because you always want to ensure that all of your ingredients are evenly distributed. All right, I will also go in and add some vanilla flavoring, and guys, you can always go in and add some lime zest if you have that at home. All right, so I also decided that I'm gonna add some almond milk. You guys can always go in and use vegetable oil if you have vegetable oil at home, or because we're making a coconut cake with the carrot, you guys can always add some carrot juice, or if you have the coconut milk at home, you can always use the coconut milk instead of the coconut powder. All right, so now that all of my wet ingredients combined together and ready, I'm gonna go ahead and add all of the dry ingredients together. All right, guys, always ensure that you sift your flour. All right, you can always use the pre-sift flour that they sell at the supermarket, or you can always go ahead and use your all-purpose flour. I'm using counter flour, so it's a little bit different to me. All right, so I went ahead and add my baking powder. I also add my mixed spice. I also add some salt, and I'm also gonna go ahead and add my coconut milk powder. All right, combine everything together. Again, you always want to ensure that all of the dry ingredients is combined together. You always want to ensure that everything is well combined. All right, so now it's time to go ahead and add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Of course, we're not going to add all of the dry ingredients all at once. We're going to add small amount. And again, you always want to ensure that all of the ingredients is combined together. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my freshly grated carrot. And of course, we're going to continue to combine everything together. Again, you always want to ensure that the carrot is evenly distributed also. All right, so while I'm doing this, I preheated my oven at 250 degrees, and I'm going to bake this for roughly 35 to 40 minutes. Just in case it might need some additional minutes, you can always go in and add another 5 minutes or another 6 minutes, whatever, you know, just ensure that you check just in case. I also went ahead and greased my Pyrex dish that I'm going to use. I use some palm spray to grease it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pour out the mixture in my Pyrex dish. And again, I'm gonna bake this for roughly about 35 to 45 minutes. And just in case it might need some additional minutes, you guys can always go in and add that minutes. All right, so see you guys when my cake is finished baking. So guys, this is what my carrot coconut cake looks like. I stick a piece of toothpick in the middle. It came out clear, so that's an indication that my cake is all ready. So I'm gonna slice this up and show you guys the final product. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my carrot coconut cake. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys try out this recipe at home. Remember to turn on your post notification bell. Remember to subscribe and remember to share. Remember to like and leave a comment and let me know what you guys think. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.